take a little ride with me. You getting high with a PIMP. Lil' mama step beside my crib. I'ma show you how to work this dick. You can take a little ride with me. You getting high with a PIMP. Lil' mama step beside my crib. I'ma show you how to work this dick. I'm looking for a dime, and I ain't talking sex, I'm talking nice ass with a face to match. She a fan of my song, so the camera's on. And then I'm in bed, then bam, and I'm gone. I do it so nice, the girls, they like me. I get excited when their boyfriends wanna fight me, bite me, strike me, you out the game. Where's wifey? When nasty, most likely, man. I'm on PIMP, no need for ID. I just step up in the club, baby, VIP. And I'm sitting in the back, sipping on yak with the girls on my lap. Now give me that, give me that. You can take a little ride with me. You getting high with a PIMP. Lil' mama step beside my crib. I'ma show you how to work this dick. You can take a little ride with me. You getting high with a PIMP. Lil' mama step beside my crib. I'ma show you how to work this dick. Call me 50 Cent, I got the magic stick. I make miracles happen thanks to my bag of tricks. I had the baddest chick on my biggest sack and dick, the biggest ass and tits. Just ask around this bitch. Call me Copperfield, I have your girl vanish. In the back of my car, speaking all types of Spanish. Doing damage, I'm a savage, above average. We can do it like rabbits, quick to stab it, it's a habit. You love to ride it, screaming come inside it. You get excited when I lick you, suck your neck and bite it. We can do it private or outside if you like it. In the rain, on my ride, whatever, you got your mind set aside. Keep my Bonnie and Clyde, my dime bitch. Come take a little ride with the certified pimp. Back to my crib, call your friends, I do the same. You gon' remember nasty like it's your very own name. You can take a little ride with me.
You are now listening to Ready Made Music.
You hear the sirens, whoop, whoop, I'm on fire. I'm hot dog, call me Mr. Oscar Mayer. I'm stuck to the game, throw away the fucking pliers. I'm a pro, excuse me, who let in these fucking minors? I'm sick like AIDS, you don't wanna fuck with me. Matter of fact, ain't nobody around here even touching me. Here's a little freestyle for my YouTubers. I'm here to clean the game up, where's my poop scooper? There it is, I got it, there's no need to be alarmed. Listen close, I'm an arsenal, but physically unarmed. Means when I spit that brack. Then I hit targets dead center like a heart attack. I'm spitting this slow so y'all can understand. When I fuck Alice, I take her to a wonderland. Enough of me bragging about what's under my underpants. I'ma call you homos cause you trying hard to touch us, man. But you can't, but